What's going on, y'all? This your boy Charlie from CR3 Home Service. Hey, I'm in another DIY video. I'm gonna show you guys how to install a dry duct connection. Hey, I'm here to show y'all how to do that and how to change that bad boy out. Hey, y'all stay tuned and let's get it. So this connection, dry connection, is brand new that I'm gonna install on the dryer right here. You're going from the back of the dryer and it goes to the outside venting hood right there. All right, stay tuned. Let's get it, y'all. Alright, y'all, so basically all y'all need is a screwdriver for this job right here. This right here is the dry vent. I'm gonna connect this one first. And this the connections for the dry vent. Alright, and it comes with two clamps. Sometimes it's different clamps on there. So the first thing you wanna do is clamp your clamp on the connection. You know, you might have to unloosen it to get it right. Alright, I got the clamp on the connection now, y'all. So y'all see that on there now? Alright, so now I'm gonna connect it on there. And it just slides on just like that. And you tighten up the connection, the screw to it, so it won't go anywhere. So it can stay on there. And once that's tight, get the other piece almost tight, y'all, almost. Alright, y'all see it's steady. I'm pulling on it, it's sturdy. Alright, I'm gonna show y'all the other sides to how to connect it to the dryer. It's the same process, you guys. Alright, y'all, so here go the dryer connection duct. And this is the screw I was trying to show y'all earlier. And it's the clamp. It got two clamps. And a quick tip, make sure the clamps are on the duct before you connect it to the connectors, okay? That'll make things a lot easier. So when you do this, you twist, make sure it's on there good, and when it's on there good, you tighten that screw up that I was showing y'all. Make sure it's good and tight. You don't want it falling off while you're drying your clothes, messing things up in your dryer. Alright, y'all, it's good and tight on here. So basically I'm done. That's how you connect the dry duct connector to a dryer. Y'all, you guys like, subscribe, and comment on my YouTube channel at CR3 Home Services. Y'all let me know how y'all liking everything, and y'all be blessed and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.